Somebody's asking, did you ever use a wedding 200mm Canon? I'm so sorry, I've never used 200mm Canon in a wedding. I've hardly done any wedding photography. Deepika says, ma'am, I'm your big fan. Thank you so much. Somebody saying, मैम स्टार्टिंग के लिए कोई कैमरा बताओ अंडर 25K. देखिए 25K में बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं होंगे DSLR में, बट मैं आपको ये सजेस्ट करूंगी कि स्टार्टिंग के लिए आप कोई भी कैमरा ले सकते हैं जो आपके बजट में फिट होता हो, क्योंकि ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ऑलमोस्ट जो स्टार्टिंग की जो बिगिनर बॉडीज हैं लगभग फीचर्स के मामलों में सेम है. 2-4 चीज़ें हैं जो अलग होंगी, 2-4 चीज़ों में फ़र्क आएगा, बट ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं है. तो कोई भी आप कैमरा पिक कीजिए, आप अपने कॉम्पोजिशन पे काम कीजिए, बेसिक्स पे काम कीजिए. और ये मैं ऐसे ही नहीं कह रही हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे पता है बहुत सारे काफ़ी बार आप सुनते होंगे अलग अलग फोटोग्राफर्स से कि कैमरा उतना मैटर नहीं करता है. वॉट वी मीन इज, जब आप शुरू कर रहे हैं, जब आप बेसिक्स जान रहे हैं, तब वो इतना मैटर नहीं करता है. एक बार जब आप एक टाइम तक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, आपको बेसिक समझ में आने लगते हैं, तब आप खुद ये जान जाते हैं कि किस तरीके से आपको कैमरा को जज करना है, किस तरीके से देखना है, और कौन सा कैमरा आपके लिए बेटर है और किस वजह से. सो इसीलिए स्टार्टिंग में मैं बोलूंगी कि कोई भी आप बॉडी पिक कर सकते हैं, बस सीखिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, वही इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैनन और निकॉन? सोनी. गुड इवनिंग मैम, गुड इवनिंग. आई एम अ फैन ऑफ यू, थैंक यू सो मच. गुड इवनिंग मैम, गुड इवनिंग. I have a 7D. Which lens is best for wildlife photography? See, don't ask best lens, because there are a number of lenses which are good, and best really depends on your kind of shooting. For me, best can be 400 f2.8. For you, best can be 600. So it really depends what kind of photographs you shoot. However, you need to give me a budget in order to help you with that, because without a budget cap, I will not be able to suggest. All right. Somebody saying, Nature Clicks is saying, how was going your photography, ma'am? Jan 1, expecting another most beautiful photos. Absolutely, I will try to upload more photos after this trip, the trip that is coming up, because right now I'm really out of content and I hardly have anything to upload these days. So that is there. Please see my post. You're my inspiration. Kavin, Kanan, thank you so much. And to all those people who want me to see their posts, it's like sending post in the DMs won't help, because fortunately there are a number of people who kind of let's say are looking forward that I kind of see their post, which is very fortunate for me. But the problem is that since there are a number of requests, so I won't be able to kind of see everybody's photographs. All I can do is just email me your photographs and I will try to reply as soon as possible. And yeah, that's all. So sorry for this, but that is how it is. It's not practically possible to see all the posts. Hello ma'am, how are you? I'm great. How are you? Pankaj is there. I am Krishna. Bhupen is saying, अपने pictures कैसे sell और stock कर दे मैम? देखिए, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप अपने काम को बेहतर कर सकते हैं और आप उसको शोकेस कर सकते हैं. किसी को आपका फोटो खरीदना होगा तो वो बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स हैं, 500px है. इनफैक्ट लोग आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे भी अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, फेसबुक पे भी कर सकते हैं. आपको किसी को भी आपका अगर फोटो पसंद आएगा तो आप फोटो पे काम कीजिए, कंसिस्टेंटली पोस्ट कीजिए, क्वालिटी बढ़ाइए, और कुछ स्टॉक फोटोग्राफी वेबसाइट है उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए. दीज आर द ऑप्शंस दैट यू कैन. इट्स दैट. Lakshdi says, hello ma'am, great fan of your work, excited to see the next project. Thank you so much. It's wonderful photography inspired by you. Thank you. Love from Telangana. Thank you so much. All right, more questions. Let's look for more questions. Ayushi is asking, hi ma'am, can you please tell how do you edit your photos using which software and features? So Ayushi, I'm using Lightroom, and I think I'm using almost all the features in Lightroom, but it really depends on the photograph. It's not like I use all the features in each photograph. It really depends what is the photograph and what is it that you want to create out of it. So it will be very difficult to pinpoint the features. Soumya Raj says, hi ma'am. Hi Soumya. Rintu is asking, hey Arzu, how nature helps you in daily life? Rintu, I'm in Delhi, so that's my daily life. I hardly have nature here. However, talking about going on these little trips that I often do after like 1-2 months, it kind of helps me. It is something that I actually look forward to the entire month. So that is something that I wait for. Right now, I have a trip coming up in December, and I'm like desperately waiting for that. So once I am back from that trip, I have to live that span of 1.5 month in Delhi, and then I again have a trip. Kind of to which I look forward to. So it kind of helps me to cross that time that I have in the middle of 2 trips. That is how nature is helping me right now. Off stream says I do street photography. That's great. Love from Gujarat. Thank you so much. Anantu Krishna says, hello ma'am, can you give me an interview? Sure Anantu, why not? How are you? I'm great. Anil. Alright, let's see if there are more questions or not. Love from Ahmedabad, thank you so much. Love from Bihar, thank you so much. You're the best photographer. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I'm inspired by you. Thank you. Let's look for more questions now. Alright, we have a lot of highs and hellos. Somebody saying I want to see you without specs. You know you will be able to see me, I won't be able to see you. That is the problem. Lots of love from Lucknow. Thank you so much. Okay. Do upload some hunting pics. Noted. President. Wow, that's a great name. Alright, more questions. Ma'am, a big fan from Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much. More questions. Hi Arzu. Hi. Hey ma'am. Hi. Alright, so we have a question here which says, hi, I'm a beginner in photography. I'm very interested in the area you work in. Do you have any tips on how to start in that area? Sure. So the first thing that you can do is start by learning the basics, the very fundamentals of photography. That will really come helpful in the field. Start by learning those. Once you're done with that, simultaneously start and develop an eye for the composition. Work on these 2 things and start going out. See what are the areas near your place where there is some wildlife or maybe birding or something. Start with those areas. If it's comfortable for you, start traveling to maybe wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries and tiger parks in India. Once you do that, keep on practicing, keep on showcasing your work, and that is how you build on. You're my motivation. Thank you so much. Let's look for more questions. Hi from Indonesia. Thank you so much. Ma'am, next course. So next course is a 3-day course that's coming up in December. I think it's 4th, 5th, 6th. You can check the dates on my website, and it's actually I've kind of taken all the important topics and kind of tried to fit them in 3 days along with the post-processing Lightroom, so that within a span of 3 days you get a fair idea about how you kind of start wildlife photography, what are the gears that you need to focus on, what are the things that you need to look for in your gear. Besides that, what are the fundamentals of photography, what are the features of your camera that you need to know, and of course the post-processing. So these are all the topics that I'm going to cover in the 3-day course. And if you want to enroll for that, go on my website. There you'll get a tab of workshops where there are field workshops, and you will get a tab of online workshops. From there you can look at all the field workshops and online workshops. Hi, big fan ma'am, thank you so much. Are you planning any trips in Andhra Pradesh? Not anytime soon. Alright, let's look for more questions. Which camera are you using? I've recently switched to Sony, so that is what I'm using right now. Hello Arzu, hi. Ranthambore is safe. Yeah, it's absolutely safe. And if you're talking about Corona, then I've heard that there are a few cases, but not exactly in Savai Madhopur, nearby areas and city areas. So that is there. Alright, more questions. My first wildlife trip going to Bandipur. Any tips? Yeah, so the tips are that don't run behind the tiger, because it's your first safari. I'm pretty sure that you'll be expecting a lot of tiger sightings. However, I don't want you to get disappointed. Don't run behind the tiger. It's really a matter of luck most of the time. So just click whatever you're coming across, whatever you see in beautiful light, and just go creative with your photos. Surya says hi from Canada. Hi. Somebody saying Nikon D500. It's a beautiful camera. Good for Nikon 200 500. Absolutely. Both are great. Bharatpur dates. Bharatpur dates are 3rd to 6th February. So 2021. And if you need more details, you can go on my website. I have 3 workshops coming up. So we have one in Kanha in Jan, but the seats are full for Kanha. Besides that, after the Kanha workshop, we have Bharatpur February. That's a birding workshop. And then I have actually I've come up with an interesting concept wherein I've cut short the group of people that will be taking on the workshop. There are only 4 seats in that workshop. Only 4 participants will be there besides me and my team. And also one seat is full, so I'm only there with 3 seats for Corbett, Jim Corbett. That's in April. So that's something that I kind of decided to do so that I can actually give individual attention to everybody. So that is there. So if you're interested in that, you can check on the website. Please speak in English, ma'am. We South Indian couldn't able to understand. All right, I'll keep a note of that. Let's look for more questions. A fan of your photos from Kerala. Thank you so much. Let's look for more questions. Which is the best and cheap Canon lens for wildlife photography? See, as a beginner, you can check 70-200 f2.8 and 100-400. These 2 are great lenses for wildlife. I have a Sony A7R3. That's remarkable. Lens, if you're looking for a budget Sony lens, then check 200-500. 200-600, I'm sorry. I'm from Karnataka. Welcome. Good lens for Canon, 100-400 again. I've always been a fan of that. HED is a great camera. Which camera is best, Nikon or Canon? Neither. Actually, none. There's no best camera in the world. Which lens is your favorite, prime lens or zoom lens? See, it really depends on what is it that you're shooting? What is the kind? What is the requirement? It's not like a straight jacket formula. So that is there. Nice photography. Thank you so much. 400mm if you're using, that's Vigneshwar. He's asking the result of 400mm on a 2x converter. See, if you're using a 2.8 lens, then it's fine, it'll give you sharper results. However, I would suggest that if it's not 2.8, then you might not be very happy with the results on a 2x. Go for a 1.4, that's relatively better. Tips for Instagram growth, also a shout out. Techie Sahai, I don't know, Techie Shahi, I don't know how much the shout out is going to help, but tips for Instagram growth are just keep on uploading regularly, and that too good stuff. So that's very important, and you have to be consistent about it. How are you, ma'am? I'm great. Right, let's look for more questions. More questions. 850D मैंने लिया है, गुड और बैड कैमरा. अब तो आपने ले लिया है, पूछने का फायदा क्या है? But it's a fine camera, it's not a problem. Alright, so Ashish is asking, do you still do no cropping with your wildlife shots? What about landscapes? If so, are you ever tempted? I'm sorry, it's a long question. What determines your actions? Alright, I do cropping. I never say that I don't do cropping. However, I do that for the Instagram post, for the Facebook post, because anytime, on Instagram, you have a very small area in which you have to show everything. So the photo can't be very big. So I have to do a lot of cropping so that my subject is prominent for Instagram. But in competitions, cropping is not allowed if you're asking for yourself. Sigma 150-600 कैसा है? और बहुत सारे फूल. प्रणव फोटोग्राफर. प्रणव जी, सिग्मा 150-600 अच्छा है जिस बजट में वो आता है. उसमें 600 पे आपको थोड़ा सा कभी कभी शार्प रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता है. इसके लिए मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि रेंट कीजिए और चेक कीजिए. आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं तो ले लीजिए. योर क्लिक इज अमेजिंग. लव फ्रॉम कश्मीर. थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई होप थिंग्स आर बेटर इन कश्मीर. ऑलराइट. How do you adjust your eyeglasses while taking photographs? That's a task. I have to accept that, and I'm kind of doing like this all the time, adjusting them and pulling them up and all that. So all that circle keeps on happening. However, that is something that I have to kind of be comfortable with years, with practice. But recently, I've discovered a problem that whenever you wear a mask, it all gets foggy. So I have started to tape the mask from here so that I can actually shoot with glasses. So these are the few weird things that you have to do. Hi ma'am, using Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom for editing? I'm using Lightroom. Should male models use makeup for photography? That's Behu Mori. See, I'm not at all the right person to talk about that. I don't know a thing about fashion photography. I've never shot, in that fashion. I have no experience about that. However, talking about wearing makeup, then I would say that it's really your prerogative. And if you wish to, then why not? Wear all the makeup in the world. Who cares? I mean, you like it, do it. Somebody saying, can you speak Semangat? It's what? I'm sorry for the bad pronunciation. It's Indonesian language. It means spirit. I don't know why you wanted me to say that word, but alright, I just said that. Which season you like for photography? It really depends again. What are the kind of pictures that I want to make, where I'm visiting and whatnot. When do you visit Tadoba Tiger Reserve? 2021 for sure. Tadoba is definitely in 2021. Which is a better lens for bird photography? I would say anything above 300 or 400 is fine. Click says, ma'am, can I join you for any of your trips? Yeah, why not? I'm sorry, I think it got paused. Yeah, so why not? I have a number of trips coming up. You can go on my website, check there, and join me for whichever trip you wish to.